Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Bank of Baroda Video KYC link or app and selecting Video KYC. Once done, enter your account or PAN details and verify the mobile number with the OTP. This proves identity linkage to Aadhaar. You must grant camera and microphone permissions immediately because the officer will need live video. Make sure to position your face in frame and keep documents close. Clear visuals speed the verification and avoid repeat steps. You will connect to a bank officer who guides the session in real time. When asked, rotate your head and smile briefly for liveness detection so the system can confirm you are not a static image. Then hold each original document up to the camera, first Aadhaar, then PAN, so the officer can capture readable images. Answer verification questions clearly. This matches details with records and prevents mismatches. Keep steady lighting and avoid glare on cards to ensure successful capture. You finish when the officer confirms successful capture and the system sends an OTP or confirmation ID to your phone. Save that ID for records. If the session fails, disconnect politely, check lighting, ensure documents are uncropped, and reconnect. Most failures stem from glare or weak network. If problems persist after 2 attempts, contact your local branch with the saved confirmation ID. This ensures manual fallback and prevents delays in accessing services tied to KYC.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.